Start.
Today, we have released the first installment of the Focus Plus scheme for the year 2023-2024 to over 93,000 beneficiaries, amounting to close to 24 crores. As you will recall, that we had started the Focus Plus program to help individual farmers with a cash amount of 5,000 rupees per year. This amount was meant to support our farmers, to enable them to buy small things and small requirements at the grassroots level. And this has worked very well in the past. And hence, we have taken a decision that this should continue. And the last 2 years where we could not release the installments, we are clearing the backlog starting today. In a few months' time, we will release the second installment for the 2023-2024 financial year. And after that, we will clear the 2 installments of 2,500 for the year 2024-25, and then we will clear the installments for this financial year. Also, starting this year, we have decided to open up registrations for new farmers who wish to avail the benefit of Focus Plus. So I urge farmers who are not registered to please register for this, and also to enable a unique family ID to be created. Registrations will be open for those as well. So I urge our farmers to kindly take advantage of this scheme. And once again, I am very happy to announce that the installments for Focus Plus scheme for 93,000 beneficiaries, amounting to almost 24 crores, have been released today. Thank you.